questions as they are continuing.
Yes, sir.
Make it possible. Proceed, Pastor.
So you informed that you were fingerprints examiner, right?
Yes, my Lord.
How long you say you have been doing this?
For the last 30 years, my Lord.
You also told people that you were head of the department, data science, right?
Which time?
2022.
Yes.
What were your duties?
What were my
Duties as a head of department.
duties as head of department? Then I supervise my personnel. So, was that the
How
finger?
did you receive the commemorative or police consideration?
Both.
From whom did you receive the instructions?
From the stations.
Sorry?
From the stations.
Police stations?
In respect to this case, Kavanagh.
Yes.
What's the CID Kavanagh?
How many cases have you handled in regard to fingerprints examination in your report?
ngamba maze emyaka 35 nga ayiriza ebintu era nti mu mwaka gwa 2022 yali yafunira ekitongole ekyo ekyekereja ebinkumu ate mu mirimu gye yali alina okulaba abantu be yali akola nabo okuwasupamaizinga okukola ebalirira ekitongole okukebeja ebinkumu okutuusa abantu oba n'okusaba kwongera abakozi mu kitongole okubabangula n'ebirala nti era oluusi lwe baleetanga emirimu nga oluusi yagibwa abalala abali bakola naye okugikolako nti agamba omulesi gwe bali kukyakafunira
Fingerprints that you handled in court.
My Lord, there are many. I don't remember the number.
In a ratio of 1 to 10. Okay, very good then.
It's the last one, the last button. Yeah. What is it? This
My lord, she said that it was Annex 88. They don't be the one that yesterday.
in comparison.
My lord, the loose pattern. Which other patterns do you have in fingerprints?
My lord, there are quite many. I can say number one.
Do you want to cross-examine more that?
Yes, my lord.
So maybe he comes to the table so that you can explain what you. My lord, it's here. In the document she has given. So the documents are on record. As disclosed.
Wall is WHORL.
Yes, cross that table.
Another type is called wall pattern. Wall pattern, he has two outer terminals or two deltas. That is what we call plain wall. And he has one inner terminus, which it can be a spiral, it can be circular,
That's okay.
yes, that's the wall pattern.
Yes, those are done the one. Because the others are yellow, the other two. Those ones. Okay. You say that there were latent prints that were got from the suspect's fingerprints, right?
I can print what from the suspect fingerprint. The meaning is okay.
Latent. What's the meaning of latent?
Latent is a fingerprint which is developed, which initially was not be seen. That's why they say latent. Latent means hidden. Fingerprint which is hidden, but later it was made visible through chemical development.
And then patent?
Patent print.
Yes.
It's the same thing if we go in detail.
It's the same thing.
Something which is visible.
What would differentiate a latent print from a patent print? Fingerprint.
Latent is not visible. Like where I'm starting, I'm doing what I'm saying. So it's latent. Patent, when I start will make me dark. When I transform it dark, on the edge, I can see my finger.